Hey guys, Jason here. And just going over a quick concept that I feel like a lot of business owners would probably benefit from knowing, which is the difference between funnels and websites. The thing is, a funnel, which is what I have below here, which is from Russell Brunson's funnel cookbook. I've taken the screenshot from there, versus a website, which is a photo I took from Google Images. It showcases a big difference that funnels and websites are just not the same thing at all. It's a concept that gets thrown around a lot, especially in the online sphere, where it's like, you need a funnel, you need a funnel. Russell Brunson's slogan for his company is even, you're one funnel away, or you're a funnel away, or something like that. And what I wanted to cover quickly is that how you can apply this to your business and how a funnel really makes a difference compared to having a standard website, especially when you're someone that offers some sort of service or a specific product or a specific solution to a problem. This can be a great way to advertise your services correctly, your offer correctly, as well as ensure that you're getting your message across in the most effective way possible. So let's quickly dive into what really is a website. First and foremost, let's just understand this, because obviously we can see that this is a standard website with the hero section at the top. You've got your text right here, and you got some image and more information around this area, and then obviously a giant footer. Pretty standard. What the main objective I want of this video is that you notice how there's so much information on the homepage rather than one concise message or one concise output or outcome that you're trying to achieve. Because obviously in the top, right at the top, there is your nav bar, which has home, about, and a couple of other blog and contact. And then even at the bottom, we got your footer, which has a bunch of stuff in it, and all these buttons just take you. These buttons right here, all these buttons take you to just different places on the website, rather than actually converting you into a lead or an appointment or a purchase or a download or whatever you're trying to achieve with your website. Now, if we scroll down and take a good look at Russell Brunson's funnel homepage, cookbook funnel structure, what he's displaying, this is very simple. And what I do want to ensure that you're also understanding is that each of these buttons and this entire page is set up just around one thing. It's not talking about all the different things that the company does. It's not talking about a bunch of different information points, because let's be honest, most people do not care when they land up on a landing page, because they're there for one purpose, and one that is to obviously get information about the problem that they're trying to solve, the massive pain point that they have. And that's why the important thing is having a massive headline like that. Let me quickly just make my pen a bit skinnier. But yeah, having a massive headline like that, and then obviously instructing people to use the CTA, or a button or whatever to take the next step in becoming a lead or becoming a prospect and going through your customer journey. Especially this structure right here, where you have a VSL or a video sales letter on the homepage, is also a great way to provide a lot of information on our landing page, especially on our Lucid launch landing page on Lucid Media's website, which is lucidmedia.co.nz. You can check that landing page out, where we go exactly over what we offer, what makes us unique, what our system slash mechanism is. That's a great way to instruct your potential customers on what you do without obviously having to individually speak to them. So your website almost acts like a salesperson for you. Rather than you having to convince each person individually, your video is recorded once but displayed thousands or hundreds of times. So it's really that important concept of that your website can be a very easy and simple tool that lets you talk to potentially hundreds of customers in a day or in a week or in a month, whatever your volume looks like, without you actually being there. Versus with a website, what you'll notice is that there's no actual message that gets put across. You're just displaying all these different attributes or aspects about your business. Versus with a funnel, your entire system is built around, your entire website is built around one pure objective that you are either measuring using Google Analytics or other tracking software, or just with a simple logic feature like how many people land up on the thank you page, because the thank you page will only appear once someone fills out a form. That's an easy way to track your conversions. So I hope this video makes sense. If any of you have any questions about how you can apply a funnel or a landing page to your business, And if you have specific case studies that you'd want me to take a look at, I'd be more than happy to do that. Just leave them in the comment section below, or just send me a direct message. That'll probably be the best. Otherwise, that's me, and I hope you enjoy the video. Take care, guys.